Polynomial functions. The objective of this video is to determine polynomial end behavior using the leading term test. So the end behavior of a polynomial depends on the degree and the sign of its leading coefficient. So that's why it's called the leading coefficient test. So basically, any number in front of your variable and the term with the highest power is the leading coefficient. So if I were to have like 5x to the third power, the 3 is your degree. The 5 is the coefficient. Leading term tells us that the coefficient is positive. So we are going to look at the first row because it's positive. The degree is 3, which is an odd number. So we are looking at this probable end behavior. So just by looking at the equation, we can determine that the graph will look something like this, where limit as x is going to negative infinity, f of x is going to negative infinity. And as limit of x is going to positive infinity, f of x is going to positive infinity. So there is no need to actually graph when we are using the leading term test because we want to be comfortable with polynomials. Therefore, we want to be able to quickly identify key aspects of the function without necessarily looking at a graph. So we want to describe the end behavior of the graph of the polynomial function by using limits, but we want to explain your reasoning using the leading coefficient test. So just by looking at this, I know that the leading coefficient is negative, and I know that the degree is odd. So without having an actual image of the graph, I would know that it would look something where the left is increasing to positive infinity and the right is decreasing to negative infinity just by knowing the leading coefficient. So using my limits, I can describe end behavior. So limit as x is approaching negative infinity, f of x is equal to positive infinity. Limit as x is approaching positive infinity, f of x is approaching negative infinity. Remember that when we are using limit notation, this part is just left side of graph. That's everything going left. Whereas this other statement is just saying this right of the graph, what is happening. So we want to determine the end behavior of the graph using the leading term test. So I know that the leading term is negative, and I know that the degree is even. Now, I don't have the chart memorized, but I do have a trick to kind of help me remember. So I am really good with my linear functions, and I'm pretty good with my quadratics, my parabolas. I know that this is x, this is negative x, this one is x squared, and this one is negative x squared. The degree of just my linear functions are 1, which are odd numbers. So if we are doing a negative even, then we're going to have something that looks like my upside down parabola. So that means that my limits are both going to negative infinity, which would be c. So I can kind of come up with the leading term test on my own using my linear and quadratic functions without actually having to memorize the graph. So now you describe the end behavior of the graph of the polynomial function by using limits. Explain your answer using the leading term test. You should pause your video, try and do this problem, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. So our leading term is positive, and it is odd. So that means we're going to have something where the left is going down and the right is going up. So my two statements are limit as x is approaching negative infinity, f of x is also going towards negative infinity. Limit as x is approaching positive infinity, f of x is approaching positive infinity as well.